Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am here to teach you how to make inflate effect in Adobe Illustrator. Stay with us till the end to learn everything. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's start. First of all, make a new document as per your requirement. Now select Ellipse tool from toolbar. Make a circle in the center. Then select Direct Selection tool from toolbar, and make the circle little balloon type, so that I look realistic. Now copy the object with Ctrl+C and paste it on front with Ctrl+F. Make it smaller from side. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times. Now select all the shapes together and select Shape Builder tool from toolbar. Click on each shapes to make different object from single shape. Now let's color each and every shape. We are making this childish type, so we will choose the colors accordingly. Color is per your choice. Let's make it little smaller. Now let's make the cabin with the rectangle tool. Make the shape little narrow from the bottom. Give little roundness to the shape. Adjust the height. Make 3 ropes with the help of pen tool. Give outline and adjust the stroke sizes per your sense. Expand it after making the adjustments. Make sure everything is center aligned. And group the objects. Okay, we have made the air balloon. Now let's make the clouds with the Ellipse tool from the toolbar. Adjust the shapes till it looks like the cloud. Then copy it and paste it on other side. Okay, now the fun part starts. Select the group air balloon, and go to Effects menu, in 3D and Materials option, select Inflate. Select Inflate in the pop-up window. Go to Lighting section and turn on the shadows. You can play with the options until you get the desired results. I am giving little roughness. You can adjust the volume to make it little flatter, but we will keep it 100% to look like a balloon. Then select the clouds and apply the properties similarly to the balloon. Hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And we are done with the adjustments. Now give any color background as per your choice. Thank you for watching. We will keep making videos for you with your support. Hope you have learned this technique easily.